In my backyard this evening, I found nature at work. This is what we call a dung beetle. He was moving a piece of fertilizer, animal manure, about 10 times his size from one place to another. Yeah, I know. What am I doing with dung in my backyard? Sometimes we turn our little donkeys out just to walk around. This is part of what they left. This became possible because we had rain the last couple of days, and it's Mother Nature at work. This is why we're so excited about the Nomad XL, because we can help you make it rain so Mother Nature can do what they do best. We have the solution to climate change. It's called climate wellness.